He's a good fish on turn.
We keeping it?
You should come in here a bit, Elspeth. Get in there and get him.
I'm getting him as he's swimming around it.
Back the drag off. Alright, wind up. He's coming to the back. Wind or he's going to cut you off.
Slowly. Just slowly. Right, go. Strike. You got it.
Keep going.
I think that was all organised here.
He's not going to spoil you.
Because I swear I saw it, because I saw it and I was like...
You tracing?
Yeah. Oh, I'll go for you, Trace.
I was just taking line, so why anyone's taking line?
It was only going to be a matter of time.
Yeah. Can someone mark our tail off?
You can see it right there with all the birds in it.
Fighting the first strike, over. Observation, look at your 500 fathoms offshore.
So pause and
Record. Just smile, Els. Back driving. Oh, Trace man. Got Els hooked up. She's hooked up to a legal immigrant. We're out here picking up a stash for Des Moran and his crew. Carl Williams, the Carlton crew. You got the Carlton crew here.
You don't like that one?
I'm
Nick Gatto.
Yeah.
Pleased to meet you.
I'm Carl Williams.
No, he doesn't like it. I'm not talking about him that way, is he?
Els is getting a little smoke up here.